in over 7,000 days and nights, we always stick to our duty to come down to earth, just in order to keep our customers' intelligent production in order. Along the trick of laser, we desire to grasp more advanced laser. Bring forth new ideas, or our staff are dedicated to pursuing for more state-of-the-art technologies. The high-power laser cutting machines have replaced plasma cutting craft that has lasted for more than 70 years. These are impressive achievements till now, but it is more than that. Some industry innovations we get are lining up the crush of the Chinese advanced manufacturing. Expand from a small to a large force. We are developing with a steady pace in the heart of the competition. We are also well aware that only sticking on the mass market, looking up to and realize all customers' actual demands, can we reach perfection always.
激光器要乘以3到4倍。
Drawn on both wisdom and manpower, we break through old ideas and hammer at technical innovation. Therefore, our applicable industries have been expanded. Major machines have been further upgraded with increasingly high productivity. The influential brand force will always benefit all customers in return. Pursue for ultra-high precision. We are working on roaring machines, but we are trying our best to make our products more innovative and competitive. The ultimate aim is to apply them to more and more industries. Refresh metals based on actual demands. We have focused on green and high-end ray manufacturing craft for ages. That is, our machines can carry out laser cladding units. The metal gets new life. These machines are so vital that both user enterprises and relevant industries will be like being live again. With that, traditional green development is becoming more promising. Continue to reform laser technology. We want to provide all users with intelligent plus solutions, ranging from single machine to automatic and intelligent production line, and further to large-scale smart factory. All manufacturing enterprises will be more intelligent thenceforth, and their smart factory will go faster accordingly. We have made up our mind to go with laser. We are rated as perfectional, efficient, and steadfast. We are forging ahead with intimate service. Based in China and serve the global. Work harder for the future. This year, SENFENG will keep on the momentum to have for a brighter future with more and more users.